Lesson 18. I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. The idea for today is another step in learning that the thoughts which give rise to what you see are never neutral or unimportant. It also emphasizes the idea that minds are joined, which will be given increasing stress later on. Today's idea does not refer to what you see as much as to how you see it. Therefore, the exercises for today emphasize this aspect of your perception. The 3 or 4 practice periods which are recommended should be done as follows. Look about you, selecting subjects for the application of the idea for today, as randomly as possible, and keeping your eyes on each one long enough to say, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of how I see blank. Conclude each practice period by repeating the more general statement. I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. A minute or so, or even less, will be sufficient for each practice period. And now I will read the commentary from this book. I'm not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. We want you to understand the power of collective thought, collective consciousness. You are all joining and doing the same thing, feeling the same confusions at times. That is okay. These lessons are not meant to be understood by your ego mind. Here we have a perfect demonstration of minds being connected, and that is what we seek for you to realize in this lesson. You have been taught that you are completely separate. The poo-pooing or ridiculing of psychic phenomena is one of the strategies your society uses to keep you apart from each other and keep you from realizing you are all connected to divine mind and each other. Many of you felt ridicule from others when you have had some kind of psychic phenomenon or feeling of premonition. Really, all you experienced there was a connection of minds. Somebody thought about you, and you picked up on that. Most of you have experienced being with a close friend or partner whom, when you are just about to say something, says it first. You think, oh, that's so unusual, we thought about the same thing. But that goes on all the time, because you keep secrets and are so well defended in your society. None of you really get to experience that until you are in an intimate relationship with somebody in which you reveal these things to each other. This is an important part of understanding why it's so valuable to train your mind. Your mind connects to all others and affects everything. This idea of idle thoughts is no longer true in this training program. We are saying your thoughts are very important. It is a gift to you and everyone else around you and on the planet to maintain a loving frequency within that consciousness you think of as yourself. Do this lesson willingly. Do this lesson enthusiastically. And know you do a very great service to humanity by practicing these lessons. Know that changes are happening not only in you but also in the collective mind. Thank you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.